Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin with an impressive reversal here. We triggered just several of the indicators that the low was in here in this wave 2 correction. By the way, I'm going to take the super bearish count out now, this 5-wave move down. This was alternative wave count only anyway, and it would only have become the primary count had we broken below 16.3k. Yeah, we talked about that. We said as long as Bitcoin is holding 16.3k, I'm going to go with this wave count. Basically, assumption that we created a wave 1 here at $17,400 a few days ago, and that we are then coming down in an ABC pattern in a wave 2. We did hit the support area. I did explain here on the Bitstamp chart, we fell a little bit short, but Binance and Coinbase hit exactly the price level here at 16.7k, which is the 50% retracement, which is an ideal retracement level for a wave 2. So again, whenever you hit these support areas, you have to be ready for reversal. And I'm extremely happy that this main count seems to be working out. At least it seems to be working out for now. I also showed you the ascending trend line here, and also here we hit support again, and bounced off the trend line. So basically a pullback. So I would have liked to see here actually, well, not would have liked to see, but here in this region, it seemed likely to get one more low. Because this is a so-called rectangle pattern, which ideally should have broken to the downside. Well, at least they do that more often than not. Trend continuation pattern. However, when we broke above and then broke above the channel, that was the signal, the first signal that a low could have been in. I gave you actually, I think, 3 signals to watch out for that a low has been made. The first signal was the break of the corrective price channel. The second signal, which is basically the same price level here, was a break above the wave A low at 16.9k. And the next signal was a break above the B wave high. At the moment, I can see only 3 waves up. What is important to get a valid reversal, and that is the next level of confirmation. It's all about cascading levels of probability. The next one would be that this is a wave 1, here a wave 2, moved up in a wave 3, here a 4 and a 5. What we need to get those 5 waves. At the moment we only have 3 waves. We want to see the 5, which means we are probably now in the 4th wave, and in the 4th wave we need to hold a certain support level. Now there were some inaccuracies down here on Bitstamp. I don't know what happened. Again, I mentioned if I have a little bit of time, I will move the count here to the Binance chart. The Binance chart seems to be more accurate, especially most recently. So I'm going to use the Binance chart now to calculate the retracement, and then I will probably maybe overnight or tomorrow will move my count onto the Binance chart. This is the area 17,172 to 17,026. We've already reached the minimum retracement for the wave 4, the 17,172 level. The ideal level would be 17,091, and the maximum we should really do here in the wave 4 is the 17,026 level. So between these areas we should find support and reverse, ideally at 17,091. I wouldn't be surprised if we get down to the 50% level, because we had a massive run. So we are overbought basically. So let's go back to the Bitstamp chart. I'm going to put it here on the chart. Just roughly between 17,020 and 17,000, 170? Just double check that. Fine, happy with that. You can see we've now entered the support area. This is the support area that in a wave 4 we now ideally hold. Because if it breaks down, it's most likely not going to hold. It could still then be a 1-2 setup, but I would have to find 5 waves in here. I currently only have 3. So interesting development. And in a breakout pattern, what now needs to happen, we need to next, first of all, hold support. If we break below that level, as I said, it will already get a bit more critical. Then it might have only been a fake out or something. But at the moment, we can reasonably assume that this is a proper breakout, because we came down far enough in wave 2 to do a proper reversal. And then we need to break in the next step the wave 1 high above 17,410 US dollars. And this is then probably only the first wave of this higher degree third wave, which is again part of the higher degree third wave. So the next move up could take us into the region. So let me just calculate that. We take the target for this third wave there. So we start from the beginning of the wave 1 to the top and to the low of the wave 2. Ideal. So, oops, what did I do here? So ideal target, well, it would actually be now the ideal target for the white wave 3. That seems very ambitious. Would actually be 19,828. Seems a bit too much, or did I take the fib levels wrong? Let me just, yeah, I did take 1 second. That was my mistake. I need to actually take them from here. So yeah, it's 18,980. Yeah, that would be the target for white wave 3. Then there should be a wave 4 and a wave 5. That should be yellow wave 3 and so on. And it will cascade higher, yeah, maybe even into the 20k region. We will see. But again, first we need to break above the wave 1 high. That would be the next level of confirmation that indeed we are in a valid breakout. Because bear in mind, there are never guarantees in these markets. There's only probabilities and likelihoods. And bear in mind, at the moment we only have 3 waves, but it seems likely that it is a proper impulse and not an ABC, because for an ABC, the C wave would be a bit too strong. Okay, so it seems to me this is a proper, 3-wave move. We'll see. This is the test now. We need to hold this support level. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.